K8 microphone, wireless. I tell you some features of this microphone. This is highly sensitive. You can see something else behind it. And in the box behind it we see some things that tell us that we can use it up to 30 meters away. And as we can see, it also says on the box that we can use it for YouTube interviews and vlogs. It also has this precise radio and clear timbre option. And now we move on to its unboxing. Now finally I unbox this microphone. And the box has been opened, and you can see the microphone inside the beautiful packaging. Its quality material looks very good. And you will connect this device to your mobile and play your microphone. Both users can use this device. This comes with two variants, one for iPhone users and one for Android users. I have an Android phone, so I'm making video with Android microphone. As you can see, it comes with its cable. And you can see in the video that there is a clip with the microphone, that we can attach the microphone with our shirt and make video. And behind this microphone we see a power button, by which we can make the microphone on and off. So that was our complete review. If you like my video, then like, comments, share. Subscribe my channel. Mega Bazaar. Thanks for watching.